How to fix Instagram filters and effects not showing problem. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram filters and effects not showing problem. First, open or launch either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Instagram and check if the Instagram application is updated. You can know this because there is a text here that reads Update. This means your app needs to be updated, and this will in turn ensure you get the latest plus the missing features on the app. If after doing that, the issue is not resolved, then don't worry, I will show you what to do. Come to the home screen of the phone where you see all the app icons. After that, look for the Instagram app icon and then long press on the icon. A menu will pop up as you can see here. From the menu, proceed and tap on this option here. This will take you to the app info page. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Next, tap on this option here named Storage. After that, this page will appear where you will see these two options at the bottom. From the options, tap on this one here named Clear Cache. This will clear the app cache, and this will ensure the corrupted files causing the glitches are deleted. If after doing that, the issue is still there, then open the Instagram mobile application. After that, go to your profile section by tapping on the profile option here at the bottom. After that, proceed and tap on the menu icon by tapping on here. This will take you to the settings and activity page of the app where you have to scroll down. Continue scrolling down to the bottom of the page until you reach the more info and support section. After that, tap here, Help. This is the help page where you can find several other sections that you can navigate through and find solutions to different issues you are facing. From the options, tap on this one here named Report a Problem. After that, proceed and follow all the steps I'm showing you here carefully so that you can avoid making any mistakes. After all the steps are complete, you will reach here where you will see this feedback box where you have to type a short message explaining to them the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix Instagram filters and effects not showing problem.